Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy Splash crypto token on Trust Wallet and Pancake Swap. First, you're going to need to download the Trust Wallet app. Then I would also recommend that you download the Coin Market Cap app. After you have done that, you're going to go into Trust Wallet and you're going to purchase some BNB. Keep in mind that the BNB that you're purchasing now, later on you're going to be swapping it. After you have purchased the BNB, you're going to go into the Coin Market Cap app and you're going to search for Splash. And you'll be led to this page on which you'll be able to look on some analytics. Then you're going to scroll down and right where you see Binance Smart Chain, you're going to tap on those two boxes. And once you have copied the address, you're going to go back into Trust Wallet, tap on the apps, then scroll down and select Pancake Swap. Once Pancake Swap loads up, you will see the BNB that you had purchased earlier. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Just give it a few seconds. Let me close out of it and go back in. It doesn't normally take this long to load up. I don't know if it's the internet. Here it is. Once it loads up, you'll see the BNB that you had purchased. And from here, you're going to tap on select a currency. And in the search bar, you're going to paste the link you have just copied. Then you should see the option to tap on import. Mine is giving a bit of trouble. But normally you would see the option to tap on import. And once you tap on import, you'll be able now to swap the BNB for the Splash token. Let me try one last time. Although it looks like my internet is playing up. Tap on select a currency. Then you paste the link right here. The internet is playing up. Hello, in this